Narito ng latest sa mundo ng movies and entertainment. Kakaiba ang isa sa 8 pelikulang kalahok sa 2016 Metro Manila Film Festival o MMFF na Saving Sally na pinangungunahan ni Rian Ramos. Halos isang dekada o 10 years in the making ang nasabing pelikula na isang live animation movie. Iikot ang kwento ng Saving Sally sa pag-ibig at pakikitungo sa mga magulang. Ang iba pang detalye sa report na ito. Naiiba ang isa sa 8 pelikulang kalahok sa 2016 Metro Manila Film Festival o MMFF na Saving Sally na pinangungunahan ni Rian Ramos. Tinatayang isang dekada o 10 years in the making ang Saving Sally na isang live animated movie. Ayon sa direktor nito si Direk Avi Leongoren, tumagal ang pagkakabuo sa pelikula dahil naging mabusisi ang pagkuha ng mga eksena mula sa blue background nito, pag-animate, pag-edit at paglapat ng iba't ibang kulay at scoring para makabuo ng isang world-class animation movie. 5 animators lang umano ang nagtulong-tulong at nagtrabaho para sa pelikula na ginawa lang sa isang bahay. Isa ang French film producer na si Alain de la Mata sa mga tumulong para matapos ni Direk Avid ang pelikula dahil na-impress ito sa trabaho niya.
It's a very straightforward, linear, very straightforward, and it's all based on the way the lead guy sees the world. You know, the way Marky sees the love of his life and the person he hates the most. So he's a monster and she's just a shining star.
Iikot ang kwento ng Saving Sally sa pag-ibig at pakikitungo sa mga magulang, bagay na kailangang mapanood umano unang-una na ng mga kabataang Pinoy. Malamang isa raw ito sa dahilan kung bakit napili ang Saving Sally na mapabilang sa Magic 8 na maglalaban-laban sa MMFF 2016.
Came in to this film, the rookie, these 2 great actors, so it was easy for me because they helped me out. But as you can see on the screen, we shot on blue screen, not this one. But yeah, scenes like this. So Avid would set the scene and he'd tell us, okay, so you're in a gym, but there's a metropolis around you, and the monster is gonna attack. So it was very different from what I'd done beforehand. But it was a fun experience.
6 years I've been a part of this film. So I shot it when I was 19. I'm 26 now. I'm very happy and emotional about this film kasi it was the first thing that I went to audition for on my own volition without anyone telling me to.
Isa raw sa naging dahilan kung bakit nag-audition si Rian sa naturang pelikula ay ang co-star niya na si TJ Trinidad.
It was a good script. It was coming of age story. I think Rian and I were doing Zorro at the time, and that's when they said, we're looking for a new Sally because hindi nga available si Anna. So I mentioned it to Rian, and because I thought she would be perfect for the part.
Mapapanood ang Saving Sally simula sa December 25 at tampok dito sina Rian Ramos, Enzo Marcos at TJ Trinidad. Kasama rin sina Boji Pascua, Carmi Sanchez, Charmaine Centenera, Buen Camino at Archie Adamos.
Gusto ko po imbitahan kayong lahat na bumalik sa ating mga childhood at maalala yung mga first love natin at manood ng Saving Sally ngayong December na sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Thank you so much!
Weirdo na medyo nerd?
Tama na yan!
Bakit?